నమస్తే. ఖైరతాబాద్ భారీ వినాయకుడిని గంగమ్మ ఒడిలో చేర్చే భారీ క్రేన్ పైన మనం ఉన్నాము. మనకు కనిపిస్తున్న ఈ భారీ క్రేన్ ద్వారానే గంగమ్మ ఒడిలోకి చేర్చడం జరుగుతోంది. మనం కనిపిస్తున్నటువంటి ఆ ప్లేస్లో ఇక్కడ నిమజ్జనం చేసే ఆ ప్లేస్ ఇక్కడ మార్క్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ భారీ క్రేన్తో లిఫ్ట్ చేసి అక్కడికి గంగమ్మ ఒడి చేర్చడం జరుగుతోంది.
ये इलेक्ट्रिकल है, डिस्प्ले है ये इसका। ये पूरा इलेक्ट्रिकल है, हाइड्रोलिक प्रेशर से चलता है। ये दोनों पायलट लीवर है, इधर से पूरा वर्किंग होता है। जो भी वर्क करना है इधर से सिलेक्ट होगा, इधर से वर्क करेगा। अभी गणेश जी के मूर्ति की इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा गणेश जी आ रहे हैं, उनकी लेंथ के हिसाब से हम अपना बम एक्सटेंड किया है। अभी वो आएंगे, उनको हम उठा के विसर्जन करेंगे। 1.5 आवर्स लगेगा विसर्जन करने में जी। इंडिया के सबसे बड़े गणपति जी आ रहे हैं, उनको हम सेवा करने का, विसर्जन करने का मौका मिल रहा है। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ओवर वेट होता है, इंडिकेटर रहता है, लेकिन हमारा ओवर वेट नहीं आएगा। उनका 38 टन मैक्सिमम वेट है, इनका कैपेसिटी क्रेन का है 300 टन जी। बाकी जो हमारा रेडियस, लेंथ, लून तो सब इसमें बताता है, डिस्प्ले में आएगा जी। क्या वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, पूरा कैमरा कुमरे का भी इधर है, फोटो आ जाएगा जी।
यूजर फ्रेंडली मशीन
जी, इसका जो विंड चलेगा उसका भी हमको इधर बताएगा, कितना विंड स्पीड उधर मीटर चल रहा है।
ओके
जी, पूरा डिस्प्ले के अंदर हमको बताता है कितना हमारा कैपेसिटी रह गया, कितना डाउन मार दिया, कितना हमारा वेट है जी।
आपका एक्सपीरियंस ऑपरेशन
मेरे को टोटल 12 ईयर हो गया
12 years.
क्रेन लाइन में जी।
दिस
इधर
मशीन ओनली
जी सेम मशीन,
सेम
हाँ मोबाइल के ना अल्टरन क्रेन 12 ईयर हो गया। अभी इधर हम 5 साल से विसर्जन कर रहे हैं। इसका फुल बूम लेंथ है 80 मीटर
80 मीटर
जी। हम अभी विसर्जन के लिए 38 मीटर बूम निकाला है जी।
अदर मशीन कंपेयर टू अदर मशीन दिस मशीन व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस?
ये बाहुबली क्रेन है, सबसे
बाहुबली
बड़ा
क्रेन
क्रेन है जी। ये ओनली विसर्जन के लिए ही आया है, इधर बड़ा गणेश के लिए, उनके विसर्जन के लिए आया है जी। सबसे बड़ा क्रेन है जी। आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब, गुरदासपुर
गुरदासपुर
जी। गुरदासपुर में उधर से आया हूँ। इधर मैं जॉब करता हूँ शमशाबाद में जी। शमशाबाद से ऑन रोड क्रेन लेकर आया इधर
ओके
जी। अभी 1 सितंबर को हम आए थे, अभी विसर्जन के बाद आज शाम को हम रिटर्न शमशाबाद चले जाएंगे जी।
आपका वर्किंग डेज कितना?
वर्किंग डेज 4 मंथ
4 months
जी।
4 months working days 4
Yeah.
months leave
2 मंथ लीव
2 months leave
जी।
कंटिन्यू वर्क 4 months
जी कंटिन्यू, नहीं संडे का छुट्टी रहता है,
ओके
संडे का छुट्टी रहता है। उसके बाद डे ओनली डे 10 आवर्स ड्यूटी रहता है ठीक
What
जी। मैं भी गणेश जी का ही भक्त हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। अभी ये सेवा करने का मौका मिल रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। फीलिंग अच्छा है
वेरी हैप्पी
जी। वेरी हैप्पी, వెరీ 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 హ్యాపీ।
జై గణేష్
జయ గణేష్।
క్రేన్ ఓనర్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు, ఒకసారి మాట్లాడదాం. నమస్తే అన్న.
Thank you. Namaste, sir.
దీని కెపాసిటీ ఎంత ఎంత బేర్ చేయగలుగుతుంది?
It is actually a 300 ton capacity, and this machine is brought from Germany, but it is here in Hyderabad for last 5 to 6 years time, and we have been doing this job for last 5 years. In fact, this is our 5th year.
ఓకే
The machine is 300 ton capacity, and the weight of the Mahaganesh is about, I think, they're saying 60 ton. Yeah, so we have a huge safety margin. So I hope there won't be any issue at all because we have a good capacity crane. Yeah.
ఎప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు పర్చేజ్ చేశారు ఈ భారీ క్రేన్?
This machine purchased almost 5 years back. This machine is brought from Germany. यहाँ पर लाकर हमने यही मशीन से लास्ट ईयर भी काम किया, 2023 में भी काम किया, 4 साल से हम काम किया। हमारे पास भी और भी बड़ा मशीन है, वो भी उससे भी काम किया है, ये मशीन से भी काम किया है। ये जर्मन मशीन है। इसका जो ब्रांड है वो ब्रांड का नाम है टेरेक्स। इट इज़ अ लीडिंग ब्रांड इन एंटायर वर्ल्ड। दिस टेरेक्स ब्रांड, they are supplying the machine to entire Europe, to America, to Australia, to entire continent, to entire world. It's a very reputed brand. It's a very good brand. Why? Because this machine is having a lot of safety inside. It will show how much weight, it will show how much is the height, it will show how much is the wind speed. It will give you a clear idea about if any unsafe thing happening, if any overload is happening, it will give you some alert, some message. Once we get an alert message, we'll stop the operation, we'll rectify the work, rectify the job, and we'll again start the job. That's how we do it.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడ ఎస్పెషల్‌గా ఈ గణేష్ నిమజ్జనానికే ఉపయోగిస్తారు. ఈ భారీ క్రేన్ లేకపోతే ఇంక వేరే వాటికి కూడా ఉపయోగిస్తారు.
It will go to other job also. This machine, it will do the Mahaganesh job. After that, it will go for high-rise work. For example, if you see in high-tech city, high-rise towers are there. This machine boom length is about 80 meter. 80 meter. So high-rise towers, this 80 meter work will be carried out there. This machine also work in steel plants, in power plants, and dams, bridges, heavy bridges. This machine will work there. After that, it will come here and do this job also. Yeah.
ఓకే. ఎలా అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఎన్ని రోజులు అవుతుంది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు ఈ మిషన్?
This machine is brought here especially for Ganesh job. Before the machine we brought, we have done the entire testing. The machine is good, the condition is okay. After bringing here, we have also tested.
Okay.
We have extended the boom.
ట్రయల్ రన్
Exactly. Trial run is done. We bring it down. We have done all testing is done. This is initial testing. Even after Ganesh comes here, we also do a testing after the load. When we lift the load, we will not directly lift it. We will keep it for few minutes. We'll do a ground testing for 2-3 times. We'll lift and down, make it down. Once we are confident, sure, no problem, we go for direct immersion.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చారు ప్రస్తుతానికి అయితే? ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది ఈ భారీ క్రేన్?
Yeah, this machine, our company is in Shamshabad. We are having a yard in Shamshabad in Hyderabad. We will keep it there. The machine has come from Shamshabad. This machine is registered in Hyderabad in Telangana, but we do the work in entire South India. It will go to Chennai, it will go to Maharashtra, it will go to nearby states of Karnataka. So, but it is operating from Hyderabad.
హైదరాబాద్లో ఇలాంటి వెహికల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇలాంటి భారీ క్రేన్స్?
Not much. Very few, not much. Very few. We also have many more machines like this, but in market there are only very few machines are there. Especially these German machines are very less. There are some Chinese machines are available, but Germans
వాట్
are
ఇస్ ద డిఫరెంట్ చైనీస్ మిషన్స్ అండ్ జర్మన్ మిషన్స్?
German machine is more stability, the more quality, more safety. Now even Chinese machines are also competing it, but German machine is having more stability, more steel capacity. Steel grade is very good. Safety is more, stability is more. It's a very good machine compared to Chinese machine. Now Chinese are also competing. They are also giving good machines, no doubt. Now they are doing very good machines. But German is number one. Germany.
ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఎలా చేస్తారు ఈ భారీ క్రేన్?
Very good question. Transportation is a big task. Why? Because if you see these counterweights are there, that will be transported in separate trailers. It will go in 3 to 4 trailers. And we also have many other accessories. It will go there. And second point, the beauty of this machine, the advantage of this machine, the boom can be retracted down and go. What I mean to say, the transportation and mobility is very easy, very smooth compared to old machines. Old machines, what happened? It used to dismantle the machine. It will take 2 to 3 days time. But this one, it will take hardly 2 hours time, or maybe less than 2 hours time. The boom will be retracted, put it down, the counterweight put in trailer and go. So mobility is very smooth, very easy. That's why this machine is very advanced, having lot of safety devices.
కరెంట్ పోల్లతోని ఆ వైర్లతో ఎలాంటి ఇబ్బందులు ఉన్నాయి ఇది ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు?
No, it is not. Why? Because this boom will be down. It's hardly from ground level to maximum height is 13 feet. A pole is about 20 feet. So we have enough space. So there is no problem. Wire is not a problem. Bridges is not a problem. Why? Because the counterweight will go in separate trailer. Only the crane will go on the road. And this boom will be put it down. So there is no hurdle, no obstacle, no problem at all in transportation.
ఎంతమంది వర్కర్స్ అవసరం అవుతుంది ఇది వర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు?
Okay. See, for this Mahaganesh, it's about, for this job, for this machine, it will be 15 members. Around about 8 to 10 workers will be there. Then we have some senior operator. We also have assistant operator. We also have helpers. We also have riggers. We have mechanics. We have electricians. All the people are there. All together, there are about 15 to 18 people are there, especially for this machine. Yeah.
మెయిన్గా ఎవరు ఆపరేట్ చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ?
We have an operator, Mr. Ajay, who will operate this machine. He is having about 15 years of experience. He is from Punjab. He is having a heavy license. and also having technical qualification to work on these heavy machines. He has been doing for last 15 years. He has done before also. This time also he is called, his name is Mr. Ajay Kumar. Yeah.
మానిటర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు?
Yes, of course, he will monitor it. He will check the machine. He will maintain the machine. Then he will do the immersion. That's how it is.
థ్యాంక్ యూ